You've got loads of controls over monitoring and controlling whole projects. You can load and save projects, so you can load. Yeah, let's have a look at the Flat Space 2 sound effects, shall we? Got all the different sound effects here. You can also include a project. So if you've got two complete different games, you can merge them together, or you can just save out sections of sounds and then include them. And everything else is included as well, all the modulators, all the samples that come with it. Let's listen to a stun gun. Listen to the ion cannon. And you can see how the ion cannon is made. It's made up for all of these boxes, each of which is a special effect. You've got a saw wave, another saw wave. These 3-letter codes give you an approximate guide of what is where. And over time you'll learn what one effect equates to which. And there's absolutely tons of plugins to control. You can see this one is a mix of things. You've got a motor. You might be able to hear it in there. And 2 saw waves, and that's all this sound is. Let's turn off the saw wave, shall we? Clear that, clear that. There you go, you can hear it's a motor.